Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App account number. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Cash App application and then you might be asked to log in. Just use your PIN code or your biometric to log into your account and then you will be taken to the home screen. Now, if you don't know your account information and you want to find out, you can just tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then you will be taken into your account page. From there you can simply find your Cash App tag underneath your name. You can use this Cash App tag as your Cash App account number or account detail. You can also tap on the share option and you can either save this in your device or you can copy this by tapping on copy. Now you can use your Cash App account information to receive payments from anyone. You can also tap on the QR code icon at the top left corner and then anyone can scan this to pay you on Cash App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your Cash App account number on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.